Hello everyone, it is competition time in SAP Community and I'm happy to feature this week our Coastal Photography Competition 2022 with SAP Community. We just recently launched it on August 19th, which marks and is dedicated to World Photography Day, and we thought this is the perfect timing to get started with our little competition that is basically running 4 weeks in total until September 19th. There's been already some submissions, so take a look in our coffee corner where we started our discussion thread and comment on the ones that you see, kudo on the ones that you see, and of course, choose your favorite coastal picture and submit it as well. I assume we have some photos on our phones about coasts or with coasts. But of course, if you don't have access to a coast, you can simply just also submit a lake photo or a river photo, basically anything that fits the theme. And the winner of our competition, basically the photo that receives the most kudos within the competition period, will be announced on September 19th and will win a €100 voucher for the SAP merchandise store. So it's really worth participating in our little competition. Have a look, enjoy scrolling through all the photos that already got submitted, and I myself am really looking forward to seeing your photo posted in our coffee corner.
As you have just heard, this month it is all about groups. And if you are still wondering what groups are, what's in it for you, and how you can best start engaging, I invite you to join the Welcome Corner group, which is a great starting point for you to learn how to set up your profile, how to join a discussion, or participate in a community event, and much more. Also, feel free to watch this YouTube video here, which gives a great overview of what actually groups are. And if you then have more detailed questions, you can simply go to the help section in groups, which gives a lot of useful information and tips and tricks on how to get the most out of groups. So feel free to browse around a little in the many different groups available, start a discussion or join an existing one, and yeah, just start networking and engaging with other community members. I really hope to see you there.
Hello SAP Community, this is Svea. This month it's all about groups. On our landing page, community.sap.com, we are featuring different groups. Currently highlighted the Enterprise Architecture group, where we have also a new feature I want to mention today. So of course we have blog posts there, we have discussions, but this brand new feature I'm talking about is the knowledge base articles. This section is filled by SAP experts around enterprise architecture documents. So this will be references for you to go through your daily work as an enterprise architect. I definitely recommend to tune in to the enterprise architecture section. Scroll further down on the right side, you are going to see knowledge base. You can of course comment, you can like, and if you have an idea where you need more documentation, let us know. Write either a discussion or comment on an existing knowledge base article. Everything is there and I hope to see you there as well.